Happy Vlogmas Day 11.
Okay, so Alexis woke up last night about 3 o'clock in the morning and she had a fever and wasn't feeling well. So we gave her some Tylenol or some Motrin and her fever. She doesn't have a fever this morning, but she's congested. So we said we're not going to take any chances. We're going to go to the pediatrician, and that's where we are right now. We're going to walk in. So hopefully it's just maybe something as simple. You never know that you're going to pray for something like an ear infection, but really hoping that that's what
I'm glad
it is.
I get to stay home because I can't go to school. I'm glad I get to stay home.
The mind of a 6-year-old. So Alexis does not fit the profile of COVID, thank God. So they are testing her for strep to see if she has that. So her strep test came back negative. So we are glad about that. So she just has sinus issues that they're going to treat for that. So thank goodness, and we can move forward. So Alexis's doctor's office is close to the post office, so I decided to stop in and grab my my mail, and I got my yarn club from Hypnotic Yarn, and I got some knit crate stuff. So let me show you a sneak peek. Okay, y'all, look at this yarn. I know the color is probably not the best because I'm in the car and it's actually raining here today, but look at the colors. This is her December colorway, Ribbon Candy. Look at those speckles. Is that not the best ever? Anyway, like I said, guys, if y'all are not hip to Hypnotic Yarns, you need to be, because her colorways are bomb. She also always includes little gifts with her Yarnable subscription. Look at this little knitted hat pin. That is so adorable. And she also, look at this pom-pom. Oh, look at it. It is completely black. It's showing up different colors. Turn this off. It is completely black. And it is by Jess Gas Crochet and Designs, and this pom-pom is completely full. I love it. So I got this huge box from Knit Crate with 5 boxes in them. So each of them are taped, so I'm not going to be able to open them right now. So I may just show them on the podcast, the next podcast. Okay, so I just got notification that Alexis's antibiotics is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick those up too while I am also on this side of town, so that we don't have to come back this way anytime soon. So anyway, that's what's going on with my day. So hopefully Alexis will start feeling better soon, and when she feels better, I feel better. To pick up her prescription. I did not want to get her out in the rain, but there are probably at least 12 cars in the drive-thru. So is everybody sick? Okay, so it was raining earlier today, as I showed you in the vlog earlier. Alexis is feeling better. She actually has had her first dose of antibiotics, and so she's feeling much better. So I decided it was a good night to have chili, or to make chili. So this chili I'm going to show you guys real quick is super easy. It's my just go-to for a quick chili, not one of those in-depth all day long. And yes, you could do that, but like I said, this is a quick chili recipe for me. And I had Amazon Fresh to deliver, and believe it or not, they were out of a bunch of ground beef. So what I did was I decided to mix a little bit of turkey and ground beef together. So that's what you're gonna see in this video. But I'm just gonna show you and kind of walk you through the process of how I make a very quick chili just for these kind of cold or cooler winter nights. Okay, so the ground beef and turkey mixture is in the pan or the pot. And so you need 4 cans of Bush's pinto beans, or you can use chili beans or whatever kind of beans you prefer, but I like to use 4 cans. And you also need to have 3 cans of the tomato juice from concentrate. I use Campbell's. And then the last thing you need is going to be a package of Williamas chili seasoning. And literally it's a dump chili recipe, so you put all of that in the pot with the ground beef and you just let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. You can season with salt and pepper, some more salt and pepper to your taste, and literally that is all there is to this chili. And the chili is done. So this is a great basis for any chili recipe. So you can add onions to it, you can add chunky tomatoes, you can add whatever you want to it. I just usually like to just eat it plain like this, of course with crackers in, if you've watched on some of my earlier vlogs. But anyway, this is a very, very quick chili, and I know that you guys would probably enjoy it if you tried it. So I will put the recipe, the basis for the recipe below the video, just in case you guys want to make it one day. Okay guys, this spot right here is my knitting corner. It's a Chase Lounge. And when I tell you I'm knitting and I'm watching vlogs, the majority of the time I'm sitting right here with the TV right over here, and I am in the zone. So do you guys have a knitting spot that you can call your own, and is it like the best ever? Yes, everybody should have a knitting corner, even if it's just, you know, the bedroom or a chair. Everybody needs one.